How to create a new Apple ID. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a new Apple ID. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and just searching for iCloud.com. And once you should land on this page, just tap on the sign in button over here. And here at the bottom of your screen, you should see the option that is create Apple account. So just tap on this because we are creating an account from the scratch. So once you click on create an account, you should fill up all of these details mentioned over here, such as your first name, last name, your country, region, or date of birth, that's your birthday, and your email. And once you confirm all of these password button over here, simply enter your phone number, including your country code. So once you enter all of these details like this, simply head over to your password section and just enter your password as well. And once you finally enter all of your password details, now simply enter your phone number just like this from over here. And once you enter your phone number as well, now simply choose the verification process, whether you want to verify your phone number using text message or phone call. So I'll simply click on text message and just fill up all of these captcha over here provided like this. Click on continue from over here and just follow the on-screen instruction, and mobile device shown on your iPhone. Based on your correct information provided by you, you should be successfully able to create a new Apple ID account just like that. So that's it for today, guys. And once you create a new Apple ID, you just need to head back to your settings. And now all you have to do is just click on your username and simply click on sign out button at the bottom of your screen and simply re-log in or re-sign in with a new account that we just created from over here. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.